Now question 4. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. Bashir has rupees 100. He has rupees 100 and he wanted to buy two types of fish. One is squid, another one prawn. So to buy that squid fish, he is spending 1/4 of 100 rupees. Then to buy prawn, 3/4 of 100 rupees is going to spend. And who is selling that squid fish? Karuthamma. And the cost of 1 kilogram of squid fish is rupees 50. First let's find what is that 1/4 of rupees 100. How much amount that 1/4 of rupees 100? Because that amount only he is spending to buy squid. So 1/4 means 1/4. 1/4 of, so 1/4 multiplied by 1/4 of, so we are multiplying by the amount which he has, rupees 100. Let's see that. See how many kilograms of squid did he buy. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. So first we are going to find how many kilograms of squid did he buy. So how many kilograms of squid he is going to buy. First let's find out 1/4 of rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid, no children. So 1/4, 1/4 multiplied by 100. 1/4 of, like this comes mean we have to multiply 1/4, 1/4 of, multiply the value 100. So here the simplification given, 1/4 multiplied by 100 means this is numerator, this 100 is numerator. So we are multiplying the numerator. Here numerator 1 and here numerator 100. The hiding denominator 1. 100 divided by 1. 1 is hiding here. So first we are multiplying the numerator. 1 into 100, 100. Then the denominator, 4 ones are 4. To simplify like this value, multiply the numerator, 1 into 100, 100. Multiply the denominator, that is hiding denominator 1, 4 ones are 4. So 100 divided by 4. When we divide this 100 by 4, we get the value 25. So Bashir is spending 25 rupees to buy the squid fish. Bashir is spending 25 rupees to buy the squid because 1/4 of 100 rupees is rupees 25. Then we have to find how many kilograms of squid did he buy. Mentally also we can calculate, children. If 1 kilogram of squid fish is rupees 50, he is spending 25 rupees only, no children. So half of 50 is 25. So half a kilogram. Mentally we can calculate 1 kilogram 50 rupees and he is spending 25 rupees, mean half of this amount 50, half of 50, 25. So 1 kilogram 50 rupees mean half a kilogram 25 rupees. So how much kilogram of squid fish did Bashir buy? Half a kilogram of squid. That's what given here. How do they find? This 25, I mean he is spending 25 rupees divided by the total, I mean what is the cost of 1 kilogram? 50. And we are getting half a kilogram of squid because we have to find how many kilogram. To find the number of kilogram, to find the number of kilogram, we are dividing the cost 25 divided by total cost 50. If you divide this, you will have the answer half a kilogram. Or otherwise mentally also you can calculate. If I mean he spent 25 rupees to buy squid fish, mean 1 kilogram of squid 50 rupees. So half a kilogram of squid fish 25 rupees. So how many kilogram of squid fish did he buy? Half a kilogram of squid. Then B question in this, how many kilograms of prawns did he buy? because Bashir is buying two types of fish. One is squid fish, another one is prawn. So squid we finished. Now prawn we are going. First let's find what is the amount of 3/4 of 100 rupees. 3/4 of 100 rupees he is spending to buy prawns. 3/4 of 100 rupees is going to buy prawns. Okay, 3/4. How do we write? 3/4 of multiply by 100. See, he spends another 3/4 on prawns, that is 25 rupees. Simplification you see children. 3/4 of multiply by 100. How do we simplify this? We will multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Here hiding denominator 1. 100 by 1. So first let's multiply the numerators. 3 into 100, 300 divided by 4 ones are 4. Then 300 divided by 4, when we divide this, we are getting the value 75 rupees. And one more clue also, he had 100 rupees. He spent to buy, squid fish 25 rupees. And what is the remaining amount? 75 rupees. Likewise also we can find. Then Floroma sells prawns rupees 150 a kilogram. That is 1 kilogram of prawn. 1 kilogram of prawn, 150 rupees. How much amount is spending to buy prawn? 75. Half of 150, 75 rupees. So here also he is buying half a kilogram of prawn. So to find by division method, because we are going to find how many kilogram, number of kilogram. To find number of kilogram, the amount which we are spending divided by the cost per kilogram, that is 75 divided by 150. If you simplify this, you will have the answer 1/2. Both will be divisible by 75 table only. So 1 time 75 and 2 times 75, 150 rupees. Even if you simplify step by step, like divisible by 5 also, you will have the answer half a kilogram of prawns. Otherwise mentally also you can calculate children. 75 rupees he is spending to buy prawn. 1 kilogram of prawn is 75 rupees, means half a kilogram of prawn 75. That's why he is buying half a kilogram of prawn. So totally he had 100 rupees from the half a kilogram of squid fish for 25 rupees, half a kilogram of prawns for 75 rupees he spent.